Today, we are getting into one of the most significant and groundbreaking events in history, the French Revolution. In this video, we will explore the causes, key events, and aftermath of this monumental period. So, let's not waste any time and get started. The French Revolution took place from Italy, and it marked a turning point not only for France, but also for the entire world. So, what led to such a revolution? Well, there were several causes that fueled this historic event. First and foremost was the social inequality that plagued French society. The country was divided into three estates, with the third estate, which represented the commoners, experiencing harsh economic conditions. This created a deep-seated frustration among the population. Secondly, financial irresponsibility played a role. France had been involved in costly wars and accumulated a massive debt, putting great strain on the nation's resources and economy. On July 8, a crucial event took place that would mark the symbolic start of the French Revolution, the storming of the Bastille. This was a fortress prison in Paris, and its fall represented the triumph of the people over the monarchy. The revolution gained momentum, leading to a period known as the Reign of Terror. During this time, the Committee of Public Safety, led by Maximilien Robespierre, wielded immense power. Thousands were executed by the guillotine, including King Louis XVI and his wife, Marie Antoinette. The revolution didn't only bring chaos but also introduced significant changes, such as the rise of nationalism, secularism, and the rise of the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, which established fundamental human rights. However, amidst the turmoil, a young military general named Napoleon Bonaparte found a way to rise to power. He implemented several reforms and eventually crowned himself Emperor of France, bringing the revolution to an end. The consequences of the French Revolution were far-reaching. It inspired other countries to fight against oppressive regimes and paved the way for the spread of revolutionary ideas and modern political ideologies. Now the conclusion is that the French Revolution was a period filled with tumultuous events, radical changes, and profound consequences. It remains a significant chapter in history, reminding us of the power of the people and the importance of equality and justice. We hope you found this video informative, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating history content.